name's Catherine Berchillo, and today I'm here with Claire. How are you liking freshman year so far?
Freshman year has been a great experience, especially since middle school has prepared me so much for everything. English, math, couldn't be better.
I'm here with
Maeve.
So what's your favorite part of freshman year so far?
Probably the freeze and like the wise freedom that we have.
I'm here with
Laurel Carey.
How's freshman year been?
Freshman year has been really great. It is a big change from middle school. However, the middle school teachers really prepared us really great for freshman year.
I'm here with How's being a new student at Sacred Heart in freshman year?
Well, I came from a school called Resurrection Rye last year, and there were only 8 girls in my grade, and now it's an all-girls school, so that's really different.
So what's the biggest difference between 8th grade and freshman year?
Definitely taking more responsibility in like your classes and meeting with teachers, stuff like that.
Thank you. So how was your transition from middle school to freshman year?
I'd say it was good because I had all my friends and the teachers were really supporting.
Thank you. So what new opportunities have you had like at Sacred Heart, like sports?
Well, at Resurrection, the sports weren't really a focus, but here at Sacred Heart, they definitely are. And now playing against other high school students, it's really different.
Nice. That's been like the biggest change in middle school to freshman year.
Probably like the workload.
Thank you. So what opportunities have opened up now as you are a 9th grader?
As a 9th grader, there's a bunch of different languages you can take that are different from middle school. Like you could take like Latin, which is not offered in the middle school. Also, there's a different variety of clubs which are not offered in the middle school. And I'm a part of the Neighbor to Neighbor Club, which does a lot of community service hours.
So what's your favorite part of 9th grade so far?
Definitely the freeze or our super long lunch period.
Okay, so I'm going to be asking you guys some questions. So, what's your favorite subject in school?
Math. Lunch. Recess.
Recess?
Do you guys like going to an all-girls school?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
What do you guys like about it?
That my brothers don't go here.
What's your guys' favorite animal?
Dogs. Goat.
Cats. Say that again.
Cats.
If you guys could have any animal as a pet, what would it be?
A baby seal. A donkey.
A donkey?
A shark.
That's cool.
Okay, so that's it for our interviews. So, have you put any thought into middle school, or you want to stay in lower school?
Stay in lower school probably.
Why you want to stay in lower school?
Because it's like more fun and you know what's exactly coming, and I don't want to grow up.
What do you want to be? Like, what do you want your job to be when you're older?
I kind of want to be a teacher and help my sister when she wants to work at Disney World, and also be a waitress at a restaurant.
That's so cool. What grade do you want to teach?
I'd like to teach 3rd grade.
So the next grade. Are you excited for 3rd grade?
Yes.
Why are you excited for 3rd grade?
Because I feel like I'm getting older and older, and new things I can learn that I can't learn in 2nd grade, and like it's really going to be fun.
Are you excited to be a 4th grader and be like the head of the lower school?
Yeah.
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 That's going to be fun. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello everyone, my name is Jules and today I'm here with
Ava.
And today I will be asking Ava some questions. What's your favorite school lunch?
I like pizza
Why is that your favorite?
because it tastes good.
What's your favorite school dessert?
I like the cookies.
Thank you for taking time to answer these questions. And now I'm here with.
Christina.
What's your favorite soup to get at school?
Chicken noodles.
And what's your favorite fruit?
Tomatoes.
Your favorite drink to get during lunch?
Probably the cranberry juice.
And what food do you get if you're not a fan of the hot one?
Usually I like the sandwiches.
What's your favorite sandwich to get?
I like paninis.
Nice. Thank you for answering the questions. Now I'm here with
Paige.
what's your favorite side to get? Like salad, fruit, etc.
I like mostly fruit.
Nice. Do you prefer grilled cheese from the panini press or bagels?
I think a grilled cheese from the panini press.
Okay, now for the bonus round. We've all been waiting for this question. Do you prefer the panini press or a grilled cheese?
Grilled cheese.
Thank you for coming and answering questions. Have a nice day.
What's your favorite thing about Sacred Heart?
How kind everyone is to everyone.
What's your favorite subject?
Math.
Why do you like math?
Because I like learning new things and practice like equations and stuff.
And what's your favorite wellness choice activity?
My favorite wellness choice activity is bracelet making.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's your favorite game in PE?
Dodgeball.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And what do you want Conjay to be like this year?
I want it to have like rides and stuff like that because I feel like they've kind of done stuff like that in the past, but there's only been like one like thing. But I want there to be like more stuff. Yeah, I don't like the carnival theme is nice. I just wish there was like more to it because it's the same thing every year.
Yeah. Okay, thank you guys.
Hi, my name's Jules, and I will be interviewing Miss Wolf about the Global Education Program. First question, how do you pick the places to visit over the summer?
Well, this past summer with the Azores program, I had done that program previously with the Sacred Heart School that I worked at before, Stuart Country Day School in Princeton, and I just had a really phenomenal experience with the group that ran the program and with the entire program itself. The travel, the place was beautiful, and I thought it would really work well with middle school students. I liked the timing of it. I liked that it was the right amount of adventure and learning and fun downtime. And we just really enjoyed the company that we worked with called Discover the World Education. They offer other programs and like the Iceland program that's coming up this spring break. So we decided, hey, it would be good to keep working with a company that has those experiences and offers them and communicates well with our school and vibes with our mission. So yeah.
That's great. Now I will be interviewing Miss Benson. How long was the trip that took place over the summer in Portugal?
We went for 5 days and 4 nights to São Miguel, which is a 9-island archipelago off the coast of Portugal.
What made you interested in participating in this year's trip?
To be honest, I've never been to Portugal, so it sounded like a great opportunity.
And what was your favorite part of the trip?
I think going to a place, they call it the Hawaii of the Atlantic. It was this lush island, the sustainability that the people are involved there really interested me. It's all volcanic formed, so it was really kind of interesting to see all that.
That sounds awesome.
It's Barrett and Catherine.
And today we're going to be making an easy and healthy snack with
Mr. Gold.
So the ingredients we have below are some honey, strawberries, bananas, yogurt, oat milk, and ice, and our blender.
a blender like this. You could use a Blendjit or sometimes your hands if you really are that adventurous.
Don't use your hands.
Yeah, probably not. So that we could take precaution and we are clean while we're making our smoothie. We have some audience. Let's introduce. What's your name?
I am Hugo.
Head chef, by the way, and
Luisa.
She is one of the helpers here. And so now we're just going to be getting our gloves on and taking off the top. Let's add some ice to this mix. Ooh, listen to that. So now Barrett's going to be adding all the yogurt actually. It's the Greek yogurt, nice and healthy. This looks good already. How do you feel about this one, Mr. Gold?
Oh, it looks delicious. You guys are doing great.
Thank you. So, next. Oh, another special guest. Excuse me, what's your name?
Ramona.
Okay. So put that on.
Now we're going to be putting the oat milk. Only half of the oat milk, actually.
Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Stop.
All right, that's it.
Perfect.
And then the strawberries with bananas.
Okay. All the strawberries. They look super fresh, right from the plants. Ugo, come on, get in the frame, Ugo.
You want to put this one in? Okay.
Go ahead. You're doing fine.
Ooh,
Bananas?
these fresh bananas. Mmm.
Organic.
Ugo knows, you know.
Come on. You got it.
Gotta get that
Catherine.
one fell out, you know. Can I go in with my hands? Yeah.
Got gloves on.
There we go.
All right, and now we're gonna put some honey in there.
Use a
Yes.
spoon.
Oh, yeah.
From the school, from the...
Oh, it's from our bees.
Yeah.
Where is this honey from?
From the bees from the school?
Yeah, bees from the school.
The garden.
So these are fresh honey, like the freshest you could get. Look how good that looks, guys. Let's give it some ASMR. Mmm, looking good. So you probably can't see, but you can probably see through the little container that it looks magnificent. Yeah. So now, ooh, the oat milk. Says who?
Mr. Gold.
Yes. Let's add the rest of that. Ooh,
Perfect.
looking good. So now we're gonna put the
lid on,
cap
yeah.
on.
Wait, can I?
Okay, so now you...
Is that it?
That's it.
Should we blend it a little more, do you think?
You want to go a little more?
Yeah, a little more, you know.
Let's turn a little
Samira, how does this look? Mmm.
Yummy.
Now we're gonna give it a try. See how I took like the most of it, you know? 3, 2, 1, taste test. Oh my goodness.
Very good.
Ugo, give this a try, everyone. Muy delicioso. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Adios.
Adios.